अप्रैल का करंट अफेयर्स। वन हेल्थ समिट 2026 हेल्ड फ्रॉम 5 अप्रैल टू 7 अप्रैल 26 इन लियोन, फ्रांस अंडर द G7 presidency. Theme: ecosystem, plant, animal and humans. An action and solution summit to better the health of all life and the planet. Coincided with the World Health Day on 7 April, hosted by France under its G7 presidency. Quadripartite Food and Agriculture Organization and UNEP, WHO, World Organization for Animal Health. WHO assumed chairship, launched Global One Health Diagnostic Access Compact. First BRICS Health Working Group meeting 26 held under the chairmanship of India in a virtual format under the BRICS framework for 26 new priorities proposed by India. BRICS mission for healthy lifestyle, mental health and wellness promotion. Indian Ocean Conference 9th edition concluded in Port Louis, Mauritius under the theme Collective Stewardship for Indian Ocean Governance. Organizer India Foundation in association with MEA and Mauritius. First time being hosted in Africa. Jay Shankar outlined 5 strategic pillars. Singapore hosted the first in 2016. BRICS MENA Middle East North Africa meeting New Delhi ended without joint census over West Asia and Israel Palestine issue. India issued a chair's statement. Instead, WTO 14 Ministerial Conference United Cameroon ended without consensus on the e-commerce moratorium, with India opposing transparency norm used for trade retaliation. India continued to demand a permanent solution for public stockholding for food security to protect its MSP. UNFCCC COP 33 28 bid India withdraw its bid to host, leaving South Korea as the only contender in Asia Pacific. South Korea will also host G20 in 28. Bid originally announced by PM Modi at COP 28 Dubai, 23 COP 2030 25 ब्राज़ील, COP 31 तुर्की, ऑस्ट्रेलिया 26 तुर्की फिजिकल होस्ट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नेगोशिएशन, COP 32 27 इथियोपिया फर्स्ट LDC. इंडिया hosted COP 8 in 2002 only once. UAE exit from OPEC and OPEC plus. UAE to exit OPEC और OPEC plus from 1 मई 2026. Third largest OPEC producer after Saudi और Iraq. OPEC founded in 1960 at Baghdad by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Venezuela. UAE joined OPEC in 1967. After its exit, OPEC has 11 active members remaining: Algeria, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Libya, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, Venezuela. OPEC Plus formed in 2016, combining UPEC with 10 non-OPEC oil producers: Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Brunei, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Mexico, Oman, Russia, South Sudan. India New Zealand FTA signed on 27 अप्रैल 26 in Delhi by Piyush Goyal and Todd McCalley, India's second largest trading partner in Oceania. Tariff elimination: New Zealand eliminated duty on 100% of the Indian export. India reduced or removed tariff on 70%, covering 95% import from New Zealand. India excluded dairy and sensitive farm product. New Zealand committed to a USD 20 billion investment in India over next 15 years. India-Japan AI strategic dialogue. India and Japan their first AI strategic dialogue in Mumbai to enhance operation in emerging technology and digital innovation. India-Egypt defense meeting. 11th Joint Defense Committee meeting held in Cairo adopted a 2627 roadmap for deeper defense cooperation focus on co-production of defense system and military collaboration. Formal Navy to Navy talk launched to strengthen maritime security and trade route. India-South Korea partnership talk held between PM Modi and President Lee Jae-myung in Delhi. Both countries set a target to double bilateral trade from $27 billion to $54 billion by 2030. CEP upgrade talks accelerated. India-Korea Digital Bridge launched for AI and semiconductor plan for Korean Industrial Township in India. K-pop hub in Mumbai. Friendship Festival in 28. South Korea joined the International Solar Alliance and Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative. India to join Global Green Growth Institute. India and China first bilateral talk under SCO in April 26. India and Russia operationalized the rail loss agreement, enabling mutual access to military bases, port and air facility in peace and war. India deployed the Arogya Maitri project in Jamaica to strengthen humanitarian and health cooperation with Caribbean countries. Rajnath Singh attended SCO Defense Minister meeting in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. India-Australia launched a fast-track mechanism to boost trade and economic cooperation. India and Azerbaijan resumed high-level engagement through 6 foreign office consultations first since 2005, making a diplomatic reset after strain following Operation Sindoor. First ever life-size statue of Swami Vivekananda unveiled at Seattle, USA. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan was first ever live vice president vice president visit to Sri Lanka. Name of 33,000 Indian soldiers who died in World War I were added to the Basara Memorial, Iraq. CSR Combat Research and Rescue Mission 155 एयरक्राफ्ट US mission in Iran to rescue downed F-15E crew from Zagros Mountain in West Asia. Yellow Line newly established military buffer zone 10 km deep in southern Lebanon created by the Israel Defense Force aims to prevent infiltration and target Hezbollah infrastructure. US sanction a waiver on Russian and Iranian oil expired. United Kingdom Parliament passed the Tobacco and Vapes Bill banning cigarette sales to people born on or after January 1, 2009 to create a smoke-free generation. France national roadmap to end coal oil gas use by 2050. Turkey passed a bill to restrict social media access for children under 15. Japan lifted restriction on lethal weapon export. China selected 2 Pakistani astronauts Mohammad Yasin Ali and Khurram Daud for training the 26 Tiangong Space Station mission, making the first foreign astronaut on Chinese space mission. China established a new country, Shanling, in Xinjiang near POK Afghanistan border to secure the Wakhan corridor and strengthen control over Silk Road and CPEC route. Third new country after Hin and Hekang. India's objects overlap Ladakh, a Siachen plateau occupied by China since 1962 war. Chinese PLA unveiled the Atlas drone swarm system, a vehicle-mounted platform capable of launching and coordinating 100 drones with a single operator. United States imposed 123.04 anti-dumping duty to Indian solar cell and module import. ICC confirmed trial proceeding against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte over crime against humanity linked to his war on drugs. India Investment Center. Japan launched a special center to assist firms investing in India. National